Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the latest shakeup in the financial world. StubHub has delayed its IPO once again. This time, the culprit is market volatility caused by President Trump's new tariff plans. We'll explore what this means for the company, the IPO market, and investors like you and me. So let's get into it. Today is April 30th, 2025. This article came out a couple of days ago. For many, StubHub is the go-to for great deals on sporting event and concert tickets. If you are an avid sports fan looking for those Detroit Pistons, Dallas Cowboys, or Carolina Hurricanes tickets for a family or friends night out, or trying to impress that potential client on short notice, StubHub is there for you. I personally used to use Flash Seats. I'm not sure if they're still around or not, but I got to see many of the NBA stars up close by using Flash Seats. I got some great seats to see the Denver Nuggets and some of the other competition out there. So StubHub is really important for those of us out there that don't have the money to go and purchase these high price tickets at market rates. The article states StubHub, the prominent online ticket marketplace, has once again postponed its plans to go public. The decision comes in the wake of significant market volatility triggered by President Donald Trump's recent announcement of sweeping tariffs. This marks the second delay for StubHub's IPO, reflecting the broader uncertainty in the financial markets. StubHub had been preparing to launch its investor roadshow, aiming for a valuation of approximately $16.5 billion. However, following a nearly 5% drop in the S&P 500, StubHub decided to put its IPO plans on hold. Sources indicate that the market's turbulence raised concerns about investor availability and focus, leading to the postponement. President Trump's tariff announcement, which includes levies ranging from 10% to 50% on imports from numerous countries, has sent shockwaves through global financial markets. The resulting uncertainty has led several companies, including Klarna and Chime, to delay their IPOs as well. The broader IPO market has been significantly impacted, with experts noting a frozen state due to the unpredictability stemming from the trade war and economic uncertainty. Despite a temporary 90-day tariff pause announced in April, capital markets remain cautious and IPO activity has not rebounded significantly. StubHub's repeated delays underscore the challenges companies face in navigating the current economic landscape. While the demand for live events remains strong, the company must weigh the risk of entering the public market amid such volatility. As the situation evolves, StubHub and other firms will continue to monitor market conditions to determine the optimal timing for their public offerings. Here's an interesting video from YouTuber The Investment Analyst. Check it out and be sure to subscribe to his channel as well.
Made a roaring comeback in 2022 and 2023. Artists like Taylor Swift and Beyonce not only filled stadiums but broke records, fueling a surge in secondary ticket sales. StubHub, as the leading ticket resale platform in North America, emerged as a direct beneficiary of this cultural and commercial phenomenon. Riding the wave of record-breaking demand, the company now seeks to capitalize on its momentum through a long-anticipated initial public offering. But this IPO comes with an eyebrow-raising price tag. StubHub's target valuation of $16.5 billion implies more than 9 times trailing revenue and a staggering 60 times adjusted EBITDA, multiples that exceed even some high-growth tech companies. With competitors like Vivid Seats and Live Nation trading at steep discounts on similar metrics, the central question for investors becomes, can StubHub justify such a lofty valuation? In 2023, StubHub sold over 40 million tickets and grew revenue by 29% to $1.7 billion. These headline numbers reflect not only a recovery but an acceleration, particularly during the Eras Tour and Beyonce's global stadium shows. Yet, these superstar events are outliers, not guarantees of future recurring growth. The question is whether this boom is sustainable or if it represents a one-off spike.
To view this video in its entirety, head over to the Investment Analyst channel or click on the link that we provide for you in the description box.
Thank you for visiting Hello Today. Please like, subscribe, and share so you'll be notified when we upload the next video. Thanks for listening. Bye.